Next question is, the magnitude of the vector VAB is where the velocity vector VA is 5 meter per second as shown in the figure, and of the VB it is 5 meter per second, and angle between these two vectors is 60 degree. We know that VAB refers the velocity of body A with respect to body B, or we can write it is velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground, or simply we can write it is equal to velocity of A minus velocity of B. Here we have to subtract these two vectors. These two vectors have the magnitude 5 and 5, and angle between them is 60 degree, and by using the formula for the subtraction where R is equal to root, if P and Q are the vectors, then it will be P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. In addition, we use plus 2PQ cos theta, but while we subtract the vectors, it is written as P square plus Q square minus. And now substitute the value of the P and Q, that is the VA and VB, it is 5 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 5 into cos, and the angle between them is given 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, and these two get cancelled, and simply remaining is 5 square, that is equal to 5. Hence option A is the correct option. Next question 14 is, if A equal to B, that means magnitude of vector A equal to magnitude of vector B, then angle between vector A plus B and vector A minus B is. To find the angle between the two vectors, we use the dot product in general, and we know that the dot product of two vectors equal to P Q cos theta. Here vectors are P and Q, and this PQ are the magnitude of vectors P and Q, and theta is the angle between the vectors P and Q. Therefore cos theta is equal to vector P dot vector Q, here dot refers the dot product, by PQ, where this P equal to magnitude of vector P and Q equal to magnitude of the vector Q. This equal to, in reference to our question, the vectors P is vector A plus vector B, and vector Q is vector A minus vector B. Hence cos theta, that is the cos of the angle between them, is A plus B dot A minus B by magnitude of A plus B and multiplied with magnitude of A minus B. It is equal to, when we take the dot product, then it will be vector A dot vector A minus vector A dot vector B plus vector B dot vector A minus vector B dot vector B, and it is divided by magnitude of vector A plus B into magnitude of vector A minus B. Hence it will be equal to, this A dot A simply can be written as the square of the magnitude of vector A minus A dot B. Using the commutative law which the dot product obey, we can write B dot A equal to A dot B, so it is plus vector A dot vector B, and minus B dot B can be written as B square, square of the magnitude of B, divided by magnitude of vector A plus vector B into magnitude of vector A minus vector B. This A minus A dot B and A dot B get cancelled, so simply we will have A square minus B square by magnitude of vector A minus plus vector B into magnitude of vector A minus vector B. And as per question, it is given that magnitude of A equal to B, that is given A equal to B. Hence cos theta will be equal to, because A square minus B square will result in 0, this implies that theta equal to pi by 2. Hence option B is the correct option.